Drones have revolutionized close protection work by offering a new dimension of security. These aerial marvels provide invaluable benefits in ensuring the safety of individuals, assets, and events. Here's why drones are crucial. Enhanced surveillance. Drones offer an elevated vantage point, enabling security teams to monitor larger areas efficiently. They provide real-time aerial views, helping to spot potential threats and vulnerabilities. Rapid response. Drones can swiftly reach and assess remote or high-risk locations. This agility allows security personnel to respond promptly to emerging situations, reducing response time and enhancing safety. Risk mitigation. Using drones minimizes the exposure of human security personnel to danger. They can perform reconnaissance in hazardous environments, keeping security teams out of harm's way. Data collection. Drones equipped with various sensors can gather critical data, such as thermal imaging for crowd scanning or environmental monitoring. This data aids in informed decision-making. Crowd management. In large events, drones can help monitor crowd behavior and identify potential disturbances, contributing to crowd control and ensuring a secure environment. Evidence gathering. Drones can capture photo and video evidence, which can be essential in investigations or legal proceedings following security incidents. Cost efficiency. Compared to traditional security measures, drones offer cost-effective solutions. They require less manpower and provide 24/7 surveillance capabilities. Flexibility. Drones can adapt to diverse security needs, from protecting high-profile individuals to securing critical infrastructure or monitoring borders. Deterrence. The presence of drones itself can act as a deterrent, dissuading potential threats from taking action due to the risk of detection and intervention. Integration. Drones seamlessly integrate with other security technologies, such as AI-powered analytics and communication systems, further enhancing their effectiveness. In today's dynamic security landscape, drones have become indispensable tools for close protection. They elevate situational awareness, minimize risks, and bolster the ability to respond swiftly and effectively, ensuring the safety and security of individuals and assets.